And the question is for Michael, Charlie, Kira, and Marco. What Filipino superstitions do you believe in and why? Let's start off with Mr. Canada, Michael.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Good evening, good afternoon everybody, to the friends of the press and the media. Maraming salamat for being here and supporting our movie. It's a very special movie for us. And speaking of the question, superstition, something that the theme of this movie goes along with. And siguro, ako kasi lumaki po sa Canada. May accent din eh. No, joke lang. But yeah, I grew up in Canada, but I never got rid of that tradition. Sticking to the Filipino core. I mean, to the Western culture, it's not really the norm for them. Like, hindi sila niwala sa superstitions. But ako, yung mga simpleng bagay na hindi pwede magpalas, or you cut your nails at night, magwalis sa gabi, talagang na-apply yan sa akin ng parents ko. But for me, my most favorite one, and it's two birds in one stone, yung nagpapagpag pag bumibisita ka sa wake. And speaking of pagpag, I really relate to that because Direk Frasco was the director of that. And siguro, even more special for me na growing up, I used to watch that film and now we're a part of one of his wonderful creations. So ayun, I feel like superstitions could just be a belief, but at the same time, it's really engraved in the Filipino culture and it says a lot about our traditions.
In other words, huwag kang hindi magpapagpag. Right.
Tama.
Thank you, Michael.
Thank you.
You're really born to shine at that question.
Ang daming entry, Kuya Bets. Napakagaling.
Hirap na nga ako. Charlie?
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Charlie Fleming here. Thank you so much for being here again. I do agree with Michael. Philippines is such a cultural place. Like, we believe in a lot of superstitions and such as. But I grew up Christian, so most of the superstitions I don't actually really believe in. I tend to really just put my trust and faith in God for whatever happens, whatever comes next, and whatever I'm doing really at the moment. So past, present, future, I really just give it to Him. So to the superstitions, I did grow up knowing them because my Lala was one person who really believed in a lot of people in my family po talaga. But it was instilled in me to really just put full 100% trust in God. So no po, I do not believe in superstitions, and thank you for the question.
In other words, Charlie, huwag kang mawawala ng pananampalataya sa
Never lose trust
Panginoon.
in God, yes po.
Thank you very much, Charlie. And now, Kira.
Yes po, good afternoon everybody. Thank you for your time and effort to be here with us today. Superstitions, ang galing ni Michael, nakuha niya yung akin eh. Pero another one that I do believe in is, huwag magwalis sa gabi. Kasi parang isi-sweep out mo sa bahay mo yung swerte. Yun, recently ko lang nalaman yun, and kaya pala, palaging nagwawalis sa umaga, di ba? Yun. So yun. Pwede sa umaga, wag sa gabi. Kaya.
Yun. So, in other, huwag kang magwawalis kung wala kang walis.
Kung wala ka sa gabi.
Especially sa gabi.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Marco?
Hi po, yan. What's up? Good afternoon, everyone. Maraming salamat po for coming here. And yeah, to answer the question if meron akong superstition na talagang pinaniniwalaan, to be honest, wala po talaga akong pinapaniwalaan. So, it's more of kapag kami mga ginagawa ng group, of course, bilang respect, is ginagawa ko na rin siya. And growing up kasi, mas naniniwala talaga ako na lahat ng kung anong nangyayari sa akin ay naaayon sa kung anong gusto ni God para sa akin. And to have a superstition, siguro, it's more of yung parang lagi lang mag-sign of the cross every time na may gagawin ako, to make sure na meron akong guardian angel. And gagaya nitong ring na to na bigay ng dad ko, I always try to keep this with myself para alam kong nag-guide ako ng dad ko palagi kasi he's also someone that I really look up to. So, yan, to answer that question.
In other words, Marco, huwag kang hindi magsa-sign of the cross.
Yeah! Amen!
Thank you very much, Sean, for that wonderful clapping of hands. And now the question is,